हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार दोस्तों। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा। यह वाक्य तो हम सब भारतीयों के दिल में, मस्तिष्क में बहुत अच्छी तरह से अंकित है। एक और स्टेटमेंट है, माय फेलो अमेरिकन्स, आस्क नॉट व्हाट योर कंट्री कैन डू फॉर यू, आस्क व्हाट यू कैन डू फॉर योर कंट्री। ये स्टेटमेंट अमेरिकन राष्ट्रपति भूतपूर्व JF कैनेडी के है। तो ये सारे जो स्टेटमेंट जो मैंने दो बताया आपको, इसमें यह बताया गया है कि आपको यह नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि सरकार या गवर्नमेंट आपके लिए क्या कर रही है, परंतु यह देखना चाहिए कि आप देश के लिए, गवर्नमेंट के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं। सो नाउ इज़ द टाइम and the time has come when every Indian citizen has to think on these lines. The nation has undergone through a very painful period by the tragic incident that happened on April 22nd, and is now fully charged up to get even with the perpetrators of this heinous crime. We found this video of Lieutenant Colonel Manoj Ji, who has given a great speech in a function and asking all the Indians how they can contribute towards the nation and help our armed forces and the government in these times. I request everyone to watch this video and take a oath now to work for the nation tirelessly. This is a very important message and a video that you must watch and also share wherever and with whomsoever you are connected with. So please watch the video. Thank you.
There is a question that has come from a student. It is from Smitesh Gawali, FYBA. If we have a career in private corporate world and not in India's greatest armed forces and civil services, how can we still contribute to our Bharat's greatest armed forces? I'll tell you answer. Simple बता रहा हूँ मैं, देशी बताऊँ मैं. Learn to fight. Smitesh Gawali, everybody. Learn to fight. And you want to help the armed forces in war? I'll tell you now. In 1965, when the war broke, there was a bunch of jokers in UP. When the army was moving out of the cantonment, they dug the road so that they do not reach the borders. Ladies and gentlemen, whenever that happens again, we have enough jokers in our country ready to do that, and they are planning. Are you guys ready to fight them here? Because wo army nahi ladegi. I'm telling you the battle that you need to fight. Get ready to do that. Get organized and be ready for that, because those jokers are getting organized. And you know what you got to protect? No armed forces and no paramilitary forces can protect. You know what we need to protect? We have about 1.5 lakh kilometers of highways with thousands of bridges in between. We have railway tracks, 1.3 lakh kilometers. We have extra high voltage transmission lines, 1.8 lakh kilometers. We have optical fiber cable network into this ground, which is 36 lakh kilometers. Then all of these can be physically attacked and destroyed at all these places. कोई सेना, कोई पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स नहीं रोक सकती है. ये आपको खड़े होकर रोकना पड़ेगा अगर देश को जरूरत पड़ी. Please get that straight. So please learn to fight, ladies and gentlemen.